Hello everybody, this is Christine from Get Fit and Pole, and I received a couple questions of you guys asking what kind of chair to get for the GFP Chair Challenge. The most affordable and probably easiest version to get is a foldable metal framed chair. So this one is obviously not the most stable one, but there are versions where the metal frame is a little bit thicker. And the thicker the metal frame, usually the more sturdy it is, so you want to look out for those. And if you can get one with a little bit of padding, makes it more comfortable, of course. And make sure your chair doesn't slide. So this one has little rubber thingies on the bottom that it doesn't slide at all. If you ask yourself what to look out for in the chairs you already have at home, I would recommend to have a chair, of course, a stable one, but where the backside of the chair is not too high, because once you work on tricks where you're on your hips on the backside of the chair, getting in and out of tricks, it could be more difficult and actually sometimes not even work at all if the backside is too high. So I hope this already helps. I'm looking forward to the challenge and see all of your posts. By the way, this will be one of the prizes to win, and see you very, very soon. Bye.